I believe we are recording. I don't think the gyro is on. Oh, HNR Panther on a 2S LiPo. Just a shakedown run to see if she runs and works. They're just supposed to be grip tires, but let's turn the lights on. Turn signal. It does have a gyro in it. I haven't figured out how to even operate it yet. I don't think it's on. It doesn't seem to be doing anything. Oh shit. I don't even have the body clips in the thing. It's just held on with the 2 pieces of Velcro. Fucking thing's out of control on 2S. I can't imagine trying to drive this thing on 3. Whoa, not the mailbox. I don't think the gyro is doing anything, but it acts like it is when it's coming down the road at me. You hear a little bit of crunching of all the metal gears in it. Oh, yikes. Thank God the grass is so high over there. That would have been in the ditch for sure. Alright, I gotta go to work. Pretty cool car. Lights off.